Hi, today we're going to take the unbox and review this Xbox controller. Well, wireless controller. Don't know why they don't say Xbox One on there. Because, for all we know, it could be an Xbox 360. Obviously it's not, but, you know. Xbox Scorpio is coming out, which is, hopefully around the same time as PlayStation 5. PlayStation 5 looks completely weird. It doesn't even look like a PlayStation anymore. Xbox Scorpio still looks like, an Xbox. Which one am I going to get? I don't know. I'll probably say PS5 over the Xbox Scorpio because I'm more a PlayStation man. But it has to do with what they have. Price points. One could be $1,000. One could be $250. One could be 4K with backwards compatibility with all your old games, as in the hard disk. The other one, only new games only. Do they want DVDs? Do they want Blu-ray? Do they want the new 4K DVDs? That's right. They always coming out with 4K DVDs. So, I don't know. I know the white ones can run, standard DVDs and Blu-rays, but hopefully these new consoles, PS5 and Xbox Scorpio, hopefully they will have the capability to do 4K videos. Because, I see in the store, hey, you could get this DVD as, a digital download. You could buy it in the standard edition. You could buy it in a Blu-ray. You could buy it where it comes with the Blu-ray and standard DVD along with, the digital code. Oh, and hey, you can also buy this one that says 4K on there. That are playing 4K. Don't know if you need a special DVD player to play 4K or if you could put it into PS4 or Xbox One. I was like, nah, I ain't buying a 4K DVD. And because why? Pricey, 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 and I don't know if the two consoles could play them. So I know you can play standard and Blu-ray, so that's what I just stuck with. Because why would I want to buy a DVD that the consoles can't even play them? Then I have to go out and buy a special, DVD player, which is costing who knows how much, just to watch the DVD. I'm like, nah. I'll stick with what I know. I'll be fine and happy watching that, the Blu-ray and stuff. So yeah. Also, they don't tell you the color on here, so I'm going off of this little clearance price sticker. It says SB1. So right there, SB1. So it's gotta be Xbox One, and it says gray, blue, center or controller. So yeah. So you get the controller. Yeah, it just says gray, blue wireless controller over here, and then two AA batteries. And that's about it. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. And check it out. Not a bad little controller here. The blue looks, I don't know, it doesn't look blue. You know what I'm saying? It looks kind of like almost a greenish mint type of blue. It's kind of weird. Now, I do like the two different grays. The dark gray, then the lighter gray. That's pretty tight. But, yeah, this blue just, So you do have, a pretty good texture feel on here. And stuff. Now, your berries are supposed to go in here, and, this one, we did not get any batteries in here, so, yeah. So, unfortunately, they said that they included batteries, we did not get batteries, so. Let me go and grab some batteries here for us. I mean, if you've seen the other one, the Xbox One white controller, yeah, that one you did get batteries with it. I know I got the batteries in white. Unless they go in another way. Let me check something else here. So that one goes in like that, and this one goes in like that. Okay, I do got it working now. Don't know why I didn't wear it first, but you could see it worked. Sticks feel good, button layout's okay. I don't really like how they changed the colors that, you know, your yellow, your red, your green, and your blue. It's right there in those little small little circles. And then for some stupid reason they left all your actual YBAX buttons uncolored. I mean, like, with the rest of the controllers, you know, the buttons are at least colored. This, your button color is right there in that little middle panel section, which is totally stupid right there. I do like that they did add the function that they learned from their mistakes from the first one, that this one you can insert your headphones into it. Well, the first one, you can't insert your headphones in there until you bought this little thingy, the little keyboard, or they call it chat pad or something else. We just know it as a keyboard. To then, you know, insert your headset into that. That's the only one that you had on the original Xbox One controller to put into a headset. You had to actually buy this. I mean, you could use the Xbox headset that came with it, which was that little model piece, you know, that goes over your head, which was garbage. But if you actually want to use that better headset like Turbo Beats, or Astro, or, you know, any other brand, you had to buy this. So this one, you don't have to buy this to put in your headset. But can you put in the keyboard on this one? Yeah, you can put in the keyboard and then, you know, that. So, nice little thing that you don't actually need to buy a keyboard to put in your headset. It says that it works with Windows 10, 7, 8.1. Now, I did say that it came with 2 batteries, but we saw no batteries. Just a little instruction sheet how to like pair it to your computer from your console and stuff. Some other useless thing, warranties. 14-day Xbox Game Pass code there. And here's another 14-day Xbox Live Gold code. So that's kind of nice. Pros and cons with Xbox versus, you know, PlayStation. Xbox, con, they take AA batteries. Con, batteries only last about maybe 4 hours. So if you're in a really good gaming section like Call of Duty or, I don't know, Ghost, what is that new Ghost game called? The new Ghost Recon game. Or, Borderlands 3? You know, you're going to be changing out batteries like twice a day to maybe a week if you're lucky. I mean, yeah. Have you seen the price of batteries nowadays? Yeah, very, very, very expensive and very stupid idea. I mean, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, an internal battery that you just have to put a cord in and charge. And you can also charge and play. Charge and play, or just let it charge for a cord. With Microsoft, we still have AA batteries. The only good thing is, you know, your control dies, you swap in batteries, you don't have to wait for charge like with the other consoles. But the killing price of the batteries and how many berries you go through on one Xbox One controller. And berries don't last that long. My god, that's just stupid. It's like going back time to like the Game Boy Advance, the Game Boy Color. Those took double A berries, but then they learned from their mistakes like with, the Nintendo 3DS. Eternal battery. You charge and you go. What's this? No, you gotta buy berries. Or you could, go ahead and buy something like this, which has these new little berry pads to save you on batteries. So these are definitely a must-have. You cannot pass it up. You gotta buy one of these if you have an Xbox One. Because, price of batteries. So definitely, if you're a Microsoft user or you're thinking about getting a Microsoft, Xbox, anyone out there, you see this in a store, see this online, you go to GameStop, which GameStop should probably have these, I'm guessing. No question about it. If you want to play Xbox, you're going to need one of these. Because those batteries are murderers. They're straight up killer murderers. They're going to kill your wallet. And then how long you got? Ooh, couple hours. Gotta take the battery plate off. Swap berries. Put it on. Couple hours later, battery plate off. Berries out. New berries. You're going to wear out your berry cover and stuff. Now it's